In this session, I'm going to speak on Laravel routing. Now, Laravel routing is done um, in web.php. That's for the web side of things. So you can write routes for your web interface over here. Now, Laravel comes with a default route that redirects to a welcome page. So say suppose if I comment this out and if I just say hello over here and run this in the browser, so in that way we should get hello over here. There we go. So routing in Laravel is really easy. It has been implemented brilliantly, and it's really easy to learn. You can also have something like optional parameters. Say suppose if you have a route where a parameter is optional, there can either be a parameter or a parameter can be null. So say suppose if you have a route user and slash, you can either pass a name or not pass a name. So uh, this is optional. So a question mark says that it is optional, and you pass a function closure over here, and you say $name can be null, and open and close the brackets, and you can let's echo the name over here, and let's see what this gives us. So I have so we have user, it's null, and if I pass my name over here, it gives me my name back. So this is another form of route over here. Next route that we can have is before proceeding, let me show you passing some parameters in the route. Say suppose you're passing an ID over here, and to get an ID, if you just say hello ID, should be able to get that ID. So let me go to the main page and let's say 12, hello 12. So you can pass an ID in that way. So before proceeding, I wanted to show you this. So you can this is the URI and ID is passed and ID is transferred back in a closure, excuse me, to hello ID over here. This is similar, but this question marks over here says that this can be either null or you can pass a parameter over there. The next route that I wanted to show is a middleware route. Now we are going to discuss this in detail, but just to show you how exactly it is, I'm going to demonstrate a middleware route. So the middleware route starts with a route group. It doesn't start with get, it starts with a group, and it has a middleware keyword. So middleware, and let's say since we already have a auth middleware, let's say auth, and then we are passing a function closure again similarly. So let's do the same thing, and inside that you can have different routes over here. Now all the routes that are there inside this group will have to go through this middleware. So it's like saying you can access this route, but you will have to go through me. And if all the conditions are met, then I'm going to um, move you further. Like say suppose if you have a user out over here, and in the middle where you're checking whether the user is logged in, and if the user is logged in, you're redirecting the user to the home page. Or if the user is not logged in, the user is redirected back to the login page. So something similar happens. So let me just for example, let me access the welcome page over here. Route get slash, and let's have a closure. Open the brackets, close the brackets, and return view welcome. So this is the same thing that we had over here. Now let's see what happens when we type a slash. It's redirecting me to the login page. That means our route is working. So it's saying you are not authorized to access this page. You have to log in first, and then only you can access that page. So in that way you can have as many routes over here as you can, and every route which is listed in this block will have to go through this. Next, I'm going to show you how to add a prefix to a route. It starts with a group, and the syntax is similar, and only thing that it has a prefix, arrow, admin. Say suppose if you have a admin section that you want admin word keyworded with, so in this way you can use this prefix, and the rest follows the same. You have a function, and you pass a closure. I'm going to use the same route over here, and let's say admin should be able to access the login page. It's redirected as yes, so it's not redirecting us to the login page, but it has we are able to access the login admin page. So in this way you can have your routes in this file. We are going to go in detail about routing. This is just a basic routing example, just to make you understand how routes work. We are going to use a lot of routes, named routes, middleware routes, and prefix routes in the coming sessions. That's it for now. If you're finding this videos helpful, then please like my videos or subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.